How to fix Viber activation failed. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, make sure you have strong internet connection, your internet is working well. Then head towards the Play Store or App Store, open it. You have to make sure you are using the latest version of your Viber app. Sometimes this might be also the problem, so you have to update your Viber to its latest version. After app appears, you will see the option of open or update over here. In the case you find the option of update, tap on it and update your Viber to its latest version. But if you see the option of open, it means your Viber is up to date. Now the second thing you have to do is you have to check whether you are using the right phone number or not. If you are using the wrong one, you won't get the code. So make sure you are using the right phone number. If this ways doesn't fix your problem, then you can just uninstall your Viber app and reinstall it. So applying all these methods, your problem is surely gonna be fixed. This is how you can easily fix Viber activation failed. At the end, if your problem is solved, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.